Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your Earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Tap on it and then go to the settings at the right top. And firstly, you can check software version right here. Firmware version is the same as software, so right here. Or you can also click at the update firmware and it check for updates and also show you your software version. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.